Hey there, business owners, entrepreneurs, and freelancers. Nishi here with another fast and exciting social media marketing tip for you this week. Today, I want to talk about how to use Instagram like a business owner. So the first thing you can do to level up your Instagram account to entrepreneurial level is to make sure that you have a business Instagram account. So when you first create an account on Instagram, they're automatically going to give you a personal account, which is nice, but you want to upgrade that to a business account. You can do this for free in your settings. And what this will enable you to do is it'll give you access to a ton of great insights, very similar to the insights that you get when you have a Facebook page, business page. So these insights will tell you some demographics about your followers, like how many men versus how many women, and like what cities they're from and what age groups you're hitting. So that's very helpful. It'll also tell you when they are online and engaging on Instagram. So this is very critical information and should help you decide what kind of content you should be posting and how often and when you should be posting. So that's the first thing. Get a business account. The second thing you should do is make sure you have a solid call to action within each and every post that you upload to Instagram. So the thing with Instagram is you can't really exit Instagram once you're in there, right? The only link which allows you to click and leave Instagram is in the profile page, in the bio page. So with every photo or video that you upload, in the caption, in the description that goes with it, you should have a solid call to action so that your followers will go to your bio page and click and do whatever it is that you want, which is like visit your website or visit your sales page or download your ebook or what have you. And the third thing you should do is to use more video. So one of the best ways to improve your visibility on Instagram, forget all the complicated hacks, is just to produce more videos. Instagram lets you upload videos that are up to a minute long, 60 seconds long. And if you do this at least once a week, you will see more visibility, which means you'll get more likes and more comments and more engagement. The algorithm for Instagram really favors video. So that's it for today. 3 ways to use Instagram like a business owner. Number 1, make sure you have a business account. Number 2, make sure that you have a solid call to action in each and every post. And number 3, make sure that you're using video like a business owner. So I hope you found that useful. If you did, please subscribe. Until next week, take care.